We need to Magafulify Africa, all of Africa. He's doing some good. In fact, man, I'm thinking hard about going there. Really, I'm thinking hard about. Show people how to, I go there as a servant, but I feel that I got a lot of tell Africa like, we're not poor. We're not poor. I wrote an article throughout part of Tanzania. Africa, I think I could relate that much better than Africa. When I went there, my brother, I talked to somebody about it. Yeah, I go where I want to. I know this party. What was this party?
Something socialist party, wasn't it? Something African social.
Anyway, he's against that party. They're in power now. Mandela's party is in power now, and they made all the concessions in the agreement to the Constitution and don't.